Alright, so I just headed to DYK Post, as you can see. A couple IKEA bags there. So, I'm gonna go deliver those. Job's done. Those are delivered. Morning, everybody. It's 6:20 a.m. and I was gonna get myself some coffee this morning, and so I just wanted to show you guys this like really nice view right now. So, just one sec. Yeah, so 6:20 a.m. This is the beautiful river valley in Edmonton, Alberta. So yeah, I just love how it's foggy. So I just want to give you some like pointers and tips if you're gonna sell on Poshmark. One thing that you shouldn't do is stray away from the female section or the male section, the opposite section of whatever sex that you are. Don't be afraid, like don't be like shy to go check out the other section, you know what I mean? Check out both male and female clothing, because there's money to be made in both sections. That is for darn sure. The number one thing that you have to do on Poshmark to make sales is share. The number two thing you have to do on Poshmark is actually source stuff that people want to buy and price it right. Also extremely important is buy low and sell high, or sell mediocre, but don't sell low. But the most important part of that is buy low. You have to buy as low as you can. That's why the Goodwill Outlet Center / Impact Center / the Goodwill Bins is an absolutely fantastic place to source, because even if you get things that don't end up selling for very good money, you only have like $1 into it or less, you know what I mean? So buy low, sell high. Also, I don't care what anybody says, but the more items that you have for sale, like the more listings you have in your Poshmark closet, the more you will sell. That's just common sense, because the more things you have available for sale, obviously the more people that you're going to attract for these certain different items, and the more sales you'll make. It's as simple as that, you know what I mean? Make sure to check out the clothing brands that are trending on Poshmark. We're lucky that they give this information to us available for free, so be sure to check those out at least once a month or something, because it changes too. And yeah, free information, and there's nothing like it, so check that out. Something I think that you shouldn't be too hard on yourself about is death piles. It's always good to have at least a little bit of a death pile available to you in case of anything, like maybe your car breaks down, or I don't know, whatever the case may be. It's good to have a death pile of clothing set aside so that you can use that death pile if you ever run into an issue where you can't source more clothing, which shouldn't be the case. Another tip is don't just rely on thrift stores and things like that to get your inventory. You can also source on like Facebook Marketplace and things like that. You can even source on Poshmark itself and then resell it on Poshmark if you want to. But yeah, so just keep that in mind. Thank you. Now, that's not to say you should have like a massive death pile. Like myself, I have over 200 pieces in my death pile, and they're all shirts and jackets and sweaters and sweatshirts anything that requires like photos to be taken on my mannequin. That pile over the months grew to about 200 pieces of inventory that I haven't taken photos of yet. And then when I go sourcing, like I like to source hats and shoes and purses and sunglasses and anything like that. I take those photos basically almost as soon as I get it, or within a couple days. Whereas anything that requires my mannequin seems to, I mean, some stuff I purchased over 2 months ago and it's still no photos taken. So that's my fault. Don't be like that. Don't be like me in that sense. But like I said, it's okay to have a death pile because it's like a backup in case of an emergency or something. You know what I mean? So yeah. You need to take really good photos if you want to sell your shit quickly. And you have to have like I started off with garbage photos back in October, and like I took photos on my carpet, and then I upgraded to taking photos on a gray wall. Like it was a gray wall with a hanger, and I would take photos on hangers. I no longer do that. I do not like photos taken on hangers. But now, and then I got a mannequin, and then I took photos on my mannequin, but just in my living room it was a cluttered background. So now, just as of a couple days ago, finally, I got a massive white piece of paper, a huge one, and then I put it on my wall, and then my mannequin is in front of that, and then I take the photos there, and now it's a pure white background. And so yeah, that's always the best way to go. Pure white is always the best way to go, not only visually, but also for Poshmark and Google search engine optimization. Your listings will show up higher in the Google search results, because Google likes white backgrounds. So yeah, always upgrade, guys. Always upgrade. Also, if you're making more than about $1,000 or $2,000 per month on Poshmark, I highly suggest that you get a thermal printer, and that can be through Rollo, ROLLO, or it could be through Dymo, or Zebra, or Zebra as we Canadians say it. But yeah, there's lots of thermal printer companies out there, but those are actually the two, Rollo and Dymo, are the most popular ones for Poshmark and eBay sellers. But yeah, definitely a lot of money to be saved there once you have the printer, because they are about $200 to $300. But yeah, fairly expensive, and but once you have the thermal printer, you'll be saving money in paper, ink, and time. A lot of time saved. You don't have to cut every shipping label out, first of all, and you don't have to tape them onto the boxes and envelopes. You know what I mean? So yeah, thermal printers. Make sure to take full advantage of the free USPS shipping supplies, boxes, padded envelopes, all these things. Get whatever you can for free, because every dollar that you save is very helpful, especially when you're just getting started. So yeah, USPS. So yeah, these are just some tips and tricks, and I don't know, just my thoughts on how you can improve on your Poshmark reselling journey. And I'm no professional reseller or anything like that. I just started reselling last year actually, and October of last year is when I started on Poshmark. So it's only half a year here, and but I did sell about 750 to 800 things already on Poshmark, and I did make about $10,000 US so far from the platform. So I have knowledge in that sense, but I am still a very new seller, and yeah, so just keep that in mind. Anyways guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Got my coffee, gonna go inside and take some photos, got my breakfast, and so yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Actually, scratch that. This will be the end of the video, so I really appreciate you guys watching. Hope you learned a thing or two, and if you want to keep learning, I'll probably be doing more videos like this, and I do what sold videos, I do thrift haul videos, and I do a day in the life of videos, which I haven't done in a while yet. But yeah, anyway, like I said, that's gonna be it for this video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please like this video. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.